The ZONESUN ZS-512F is an automatic bottom real-time printing labeling machine designed for bottom labeling. Running at 20 to 26 PCS/min, it integrates real-time printing, labeling, RFID writing and verification, and automatic rejection. With its rotary positioning conveyor and dual belt stabilizer, products are conveyed precisely into the turntable rotation unit for accurate bottom labeling. The system ensures stable operation, precise alignment, and consistent labeling quality, making it ideal for automated production lines requiring traceability and defect elimination.